With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question that was given to us is that is 4 slips of papers with the number 1, 2, 3, 4 written on them are put in a box. They are drawn one by one without replacement at random. In how many ways it can be happen that the ordinal number of at least one slip coincide with its own number? So first of all, there are 4 slips, so the total number of ways, that is total number of ways to that is draw 4 slips, that is equals to 4 factorial, and the value of 4 factorial is equals to that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is equals to 24. Now if we talk about that they are drawn one by one without replacement random, in how it can happen the ordinal. So we can find that we can find this case, that is the total number of ways, that is total number of, or we can say that this is not total, the number of ways, the number of ways for which the number of ways for which the ordinal number of any slip coincide, that is any slip does not coincide with its own number, this is known as dearrangement. And the formula for the dearrangement for this, that is 4 slips that is 4 factorial, and in the bracket that is 1 upon 2 factorial minus 1 upon 3 factorial plus 1 upon 4 factorial. This is the formula for dearrangement. In the question we have to find out the ordinal number of at least one slip coincide with its own number, but here we have find that is the ordinal number of any slip does not coincide. So first of all we will find this value. This will be equals to that is 4 factorial, because all the 4 slips are that is dearranged, that is rearranged, so we can pick any one, so the value is 4 factorial, and the formula for dearrangement is this. So this will become that is 1 by 2 minus this is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 24, and if we take LCM we get 24 as LCM, so this will be equals to 24, and this will be that is 12 minus 4 plus 1 by 24. So 24 and 24 cancel out. We get this value as that is 12 minus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. So this is equals to 9. But we have to find out the value of that is number of ways in which at least one slip coincide. So the number of ways in which at least one slip coincide with its own number, that is equals to the total number of ways, that is 24, minus the number of that is dearrangement, that is 9. So this will be equals to that is 15. So our final answer is equals to 15. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.